How you doing, beautiful people? In this video today, I want to make sure that you are maximizing your profits on Amazon by pricing up your products correctly. Because sometimes you could be avoiding products that right now have been underpriced, but that they usually sell at a higher price. So it's really important to check the price stability of a product in two ways. One, to make sure that the product is not actually selling at a price that is much higher than the average buy box sales, the average of the usual sale price for at least the past 90 days. And two, maximizing your profits whereby the product right now is selling at a lower price than its average selling price, which we call buy box, for at least the past 90 days. So we're going to be looking at these two examples. Right now, as you can see, I have placed a little order from my own software, the D4U wholesale and online arbitrage products for Amazon sellers, where we've got tons and tons of products in every single category at wholesale price, and we got all our retail products for your online arbitrage from the biggest retails in Europe, United States and UK. At this point, my order is coming up to a very small order. I'm just testing 10 of each of these products, where I'm gonna be spending £288 and I should be making 271 back in profit with a 20% net profit and a 93.93 net ROI percentage. Okay, so what I'm talking about by maximizing your profits. So first products that I'm looking at in here is Max Factor Face Infinity Compact Foundation. Okay, and this product right now is selling at $10.50, which would give me a $1.59 net profit. However, its average buy box price is $12.51. So this is why it's important that you do not discard products that sometimes are below £2 in profit, for example. So if you are using filters and you are discarding any products that is below £2, you could be missing out on products with really high demand, right? And they could make you a lot of money. So this one, even if you sell this 100 times in a month, you'll be making £159 in profit, right? Every 10 of these products, you could be making £1,500 in profit, which is more than a normal wage, you know, and than an average wage in the UK, right? So if this product is selling usually at $12.51 now, rather than $1.59 in profit, $12.51, if we would sell it for $12.51, rather than following whoever is lowering the price, don't be that seller that follows to the bottom where nobody makes profit. Stick with your net profit percentage, because now our profit could be $3.59, right? So if I open this product up now, we can check what I'm talking about and see what is the product selling for now and what we should be selling this product at. Okay, so we can see this is a variation, and we can see that there is a see all buying options, because this product is being sold at the moment at a price that it's not the usual buy box price. So I'm gonna click on see all buying options, see what kind of price should I be using. When I look at Keeper in here, when it loads, we can check that average buy box price in here, it goes like $13.98. By the look of it, it's the go price. So if we look at the data in here, we can actually see what has been the average buy box price for the past 90 days, $12.54, 180 days, which I don't usually look at, $11.57. So when we look at that at the software, the average buy box price is $12.51. It's taking in consideration what the sales have been in the past 30, 90 and 60 days. Okay, and from there we are coming up with an average buy box price of $12.51. This is why it varies from Keeper, because we are looking at what has been sold at the last 30 days, what has been selling out in the past 60 days and the last 90 days. Now looking at this, we can see that there are people selling at 1526 plus 449 shipping Amazon EU. Right now there is only these two sellers, right? So when we're looking at the buy box statistic, I can see that the buy box is turning really nicely at you know, even despite Amazon being on the listing, 58% of the sales are going to Amazon, but other sellers are getting the buy box as well. And when I go into the offers, I can see how many times a product is selling even at these kind of prices. Okay, so if you see now from £1 in profit, we could actually make a lot more in profit. If I look at the historical offers, you can see that Amazon has been selling at 15.26, 9.99. We can see 12.93, so 12.66. So we go back to what we were saying in here, right? 12.66, it would make us even more than 3.59. So that's when you can really maximize your sales. And now that 20% is actually going up in here, because we are now at 21.71. The net ROI percentage is gone up because I'm pricing up the products at the right price that you should be doing, not what has been selling for at the moment that we have updated this product. And this product's got very high sales per month, and I'm gonna make a video in future talking about variations to see which one is the variation that is selling the most, and how can you determine how many estimated sales you can expect when there are variations. But to finish this video up, I would like to also draw your attention on products that haven't got price stability. This one is another one, currently selling at 9.98, making 273 in profit, but the average buy box price is 15.35. So from 273, if I sell these products at 15.35, all of a sudden from 273 we are gonna make £8 in profit from a product, from this product. So important to also use a repricer to put your minimum and maximum price within the average buy box price, in the case where the buy box at the moment is lower than its average buy box price, as I've demonstrated you on that listing. And another thing that I'd like to draw your attention, this is another one, look, A79 921. Another thing that I like to draw your attention in is look at the price stability in here. 10.95 has been always selling at that price, so that's a no-brainer. It's those products that right now are selling at a higher price. Look at this one, for example, selling at £39 right now, but the average buy box is 25.10. So these are products that you might avoid. Although it's not said that it will drop back down to 25.10 again, this product, it's very risky, because right now it's making us a 6.69, but if this product would go back by tomorrow, Amazon comes back in and it goes back to its original price, all of a sudden you will be at loss. So don't make this mistake, all right? Make sure that you're always checking price stability to ensure that you are not buying products that will drop price back to its original selling price. And on the other side of the coin, make sure to maximize profit whereby products are selling at a lower cost. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up, so that it can be advertised more throughout YouTube for other people to avoid this mistake. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.